Into the news that the Pakistan-New Zealand series has been cancelled due to security reasons. Was a big shock to me, but mostly very disappointing and sad. Knowing that the work the PCB and the Pakistan government and the entire people have put in bringing cricket back to Pakistan. You know, over the last 6 years, playing cricket in Pakistan, exploring the country, exploring the culture, experiencing the fans has been simply amazing. And yeah, I've never once felt, you know, unsafe. You know, it's a place that I call a home away from home. So this is really, really sad and a big blow to all the work that has been done over the last few years. I really hope Pakistan Cricket Board could recover from this. But Pakistan has always been a safe place for me over the last 5 years.